magic. Hello folks, my name is Yev, you're on my channel, and today we will continue testing and reviewing Drop Alt mechanical keyboard. And today we have a field test. Let's start. To connect this keyboard to the laptop, I will use this cable, but because I will use my MacBook Pro today for a field test, I'm not able to connect this keyboard directly to my MacBook because it's USB-A. With this, I will get a help from this mouse. It's 2-in-1 hub from ProtoArch, and I will use built-in hub to connect this keyboard to my MacBook, which is, I think, awesome. So let's connect this, and then we connect to my MacBook, and from other side let's connect Drop Alt mechanical keyboard. And now I'm able to use this keyboard together with my Mac during our today field test. Okay, let me open my blog review for this keyboard. So I will go through my review and will share with you key unique properties of this keyboard. Something interesting. I googled some stuff because not everything is clear from the start. So I hope I will share with you something new and it will be interesting and useful for you. So let's start. Once again, this is Drop Alt mechanical keyboard with Cherry MX Blue switchers. It's very clicky keyboard. You can hear the sound. This keyboard is 65% layout, so it's a small one, it's compact one. What else interesting about this keyboard? So as you may see, we have super nice per key RGB backlighting, right? So you can see this backlighting around the case of the keyboard, and also it's per key, you can see it, right? It's very lightful, I would say. It's very bright, and you can see like all different kinds of different scenarios. So let me show you. Let me switch off the main light in my studio. You should see the light, so let me zoom in a little bit, right? And so also I will use this card. It's manual for this keyboard from Drop, which is very useful. And what we have? So we have function key, and we can switch off and switch on the lighting, backlight lighting. Also we can decrease or increase brightness of this backlight, and we can change pattern, so it could be red or white, just white, blue, green, yellow, and other stuff. I like this one, so let's stay. So this was a backlight, and this backlight is very bright and it's a lot of different scenarios. Next interesting feature is this keyboard is fully programmable via QMK, and maybe you, as same as me, you don't know what does it mean, QMK. So QMK is quantum mechanical keyboard. It's open source firmware for microcontrollers, and in this case for computer keyboards. And this QMK configurator is like freely available software. If you know what to do and you know how to use it, you can download it for Windows or for Mac OS and use it, and you can set up everything. Like you can reprogram all keys, you can change everything, you can create complicated macros and like reuse all keys as you want. So it's very powerful tool for people who know what to do and what they want from these keyboards. Also, it's very useful for gamers, so you can set up your macros or you can set up your keys according to what you need from this. Next interesting fact about this keyboard is that this case is made from hefty aluminum frame, so it's like really heavy one, but it's very pleasant, so it's very sturdy, and you can see that it's made from metal, so it's like for home. If you don't need to carry this on with you, it's nice. It's very, pleasant to feel this metal, this aluminum. One of the parameters of this keyboard is double shot PBT shine through keycaps. So I also Google it, what does it mean? And basically double shot refers to the process through which our keycaps are made. So plastic is shot or injected in two different molds during construction. This means that legends of a keycap are not on the same piece of plastic as the outer mold. So it's basically double layer of the these keycaps, and you can see it, right? So it's two pieces inside. Let me show you once again. So we can change keycaps. Right? It's quite easy, and you can see what is inside. Okay, and also we can switch, we can change, we can inject and change for something else. This MX Cherry Blue switches. You see, now I understand how to do it, and it's quite easy. Let me try to show you closer look. Okay, now let's try to type something, and it will be the typing exercise. I think one of the most important parts of the keyboard is how it sounds and what the tactile feeling. Tactile feeling you will not be able to see through the monitor, of course, but you will be able to see the sound and general motions of this typing. So let's start. Let me stroke a couple of sentences. Voila. Okay, folks, that's it for this review. This review consists of two videos. One is about unpacking and initial check, and today's video is about in-field testing and detailed description of the specific of this keyboard. So once again, this is drop, alt, low profile, 65%, 67 keys, hot swappable aluminum case, backlight RGB light. You can do the programming of this keyboard, like each key you can do whatever you want. So let me just share with you a couple of my personal thoughts about this keyboard. So first of all, this keyboard is very well made. It's like real pleasant to use this keyboard, so it's really good quality first of all. And it's heavy one, but again, for home use it's even good. Like, I was excited to see this idea with you can elevate this keyboard using this magnet parts, and it's awesome. It's as a kind of, you know, old charger for MacBook on a magnet. So this is the same idea, and it's very nice idea. Couple of other thoughts. So this is what I have ordered for myself for this review for Windows. So it's not for Mac. And to be able to use it with Mac, most probably you need to replace these keycaps with appropriate ones, right? Which is easy to do because you can change everything. You can customize like whatever you want with this keyboard. But again, just to know that from the box, you need to know what you have ordered, and this one is for Windows operational system. It doesn't mean that it doesn't work with macOS. No, of course it works. And today I connect this keyboard to my MacBook and easily use it with MacBook. But keys itself, it's for Windows. Another moment or another unique, or maybe no, it's not unique, but just another thought that this is not wireless keyboard. So you need to have a cable to connect this keyboard to your PC or laptop, right? Another interesting moment that you can have two USB-C on the left and on the right, two together, two USB-C ports, so you can connect this keyboard anyway to two devices, or even more, maybe with some additional hubs and switches. And again, today I was able to do this only because I have this mouse from ProtoArch with this 2-in-1 hub, right? I hope you can see it. And this hub helped me connect this keyboard via cable to the Type-C port on my MacBook, because this cable is Type A USB. So another moment for you to consider before ordering this keyboard. Sound, it's up to you. Very interesting, not common sound. This is Cherry MX Blue switches, so it's the most clicky one, and it's up to you. You can choose any other types, brown, red, and hello, and other type of switches. It's a lot of them from the Drop brand, but this one is blue, and I personally, I'm not sure I like it, so I will replace this keyboard with something more kind of brown to have it more calm and more tactile and less clicky. But it doesn't mean that it's something wrong. No, it's like very personal preference, so it's up to you guys. And yeah, this keyboard is very nice from customization point of view. So this keyboard is mostly for or gamers or tech enthusiasts, which is gamers usually are, right? Or for people who want to have something unique with possibility to uniquely customize it for yourself. So this is not a general keyboard, and also you can judge about it based on price for this keyboard. So please consider all these options before you will order this keyboard from Drop brand. And I'm going to order another one to test and to compare. And if you have any preference, or maybe you would like to ask me to do a test of any of Drop keyboards, before you are going to buy them. Maybe you want to ask me to do the quick test. I'm happy to do it for you. Just please leave a comment in the comment section under this video, and I will order this keyboard and we'll do review, so you will be able to see all details and maybe some nuances before you will make a decision what drop keyboard exactly do you need for yourself. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being with me during this review. As always, reminder, if you will find this video useful and you will get some new information from it, please do not forget to press a like button. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to have some specific review, you want to ask me to do a specific review, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Stay tuned, stay connected, bye bye.